Hello guys, welcome back to LAN app. For today's video, here I'm going to show you or discuss with you WIX AI Chat Assistant tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you add a AI Chat Assistant here on WIX? Well, adding one is very simple. So in order for you to add an AI Chat Assistant on your WIX website, you need to add the app for it. So in order for you to add that app, you want to go to the left side here, click on Add Apps. And from here, what we need to do is we want to search for the actual app. So just type in WIX AI Chat. Just press enter. Now it will give you a bunch of options that you could choose here, but we have WIX AI Site Chat. Let's go and click on it, and you want to go and install this. Now the great thing about this app here, this is free, so you could basically add this to your shop or your WIX website here without any cost. Now this might take a while. It should start adding the chat itself, but typically speaking, at the bottom right, this is where your chat is going to be. Now again, some assets may load a lot slower here, so in this case, let's go and click on settings. Now, under settings, you should be able to set up a few things here, so let's just wait for it to load up. So in here, we have a bunch of options. So in this case, the main setting that you could actually see here is you have the option to manage your AI chat and basically test the AI chat if you want to test it. But for now, let's go and discuss the other settings here before we proceed with the main setting. So layout allows you to basically change how your chat or your chatbot here is positioned. So you could go and position in left or right if you want to, as you can see right now. You can change the width here to default or customize, the height to either default or customize. Now for text, this will actually show you what's the header text going to be, what is the input field message going to be, and also when the chat is online, you could go ahead and just basically change the text for it, and when the chat is offline, you could go ahead and click on add like get in touch or email us, whatever text you want to show. Now for design, you have the option to change the header, as you can see right now. You have the background, as you can see, and you have messages, input field, and a lot more. So basically, this is where you customize the look of your chat. Now you also have support here, just in case, like for example, you're having problems with the chat, with the bot itself. Go ahead and go to their help center and ask a few things or review different articles that could help you a lot. So let's go and move on to me. Now from here, if you click on the option here that says manage the AI chat here, this should open up your dashboard and should allow you to start managing your AI side chat. Now, from here on, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and basically turn this on. So you can go and click on the turn on button here to turn it on. And by the way, you're on a free AI side chat plan here, so upgrade to increase your monthly conversations and training quotas. So there are going to be some limits on the AI itself. So if you want to basically get more conversations and basically your customers for them to be able to use it more often, you need to upgrade your plan. But if you're just new, the free plan is going to be good for you. Now, from here, you have your online chat hours. So you could set, like, for example, if it's online 24/7, or you could go and set up your custom hours. We also have the when the site chat is offline, you could go and determine what they will be doing here. And also, you have the intro messages here. So, for example, if someone clicks on the chat itself, this is what the chatbot is going to say first. And also, you could add like a legal disclaimer on the chat itself, and you could go in and write initial chat message for your visitors when the chat is offline and not responding to messages. Now you could also determine your contact form here, like for example, what's going to be asked, like name, email, phone number, and message, and a lot more. Now you could also choose the quota here, which allows you to see the limit for your chat conversation. We also have the train chat option, which allows you to give the guidance to your bot here and basically train them on how to respond on different scenarios. Now you could also test the chat here. So in this case, you could go and just test how your chat is going to respond to different scenarios. So yeah, basically just testing them out. So you could go and close this one, and as you can see, we should now be able to start using or adding, or we should be able to start using it or the AI chat bot here into our WIX website. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LAN app. Thank you for watching.